Salam sehat, salam sejahtera selalu buat kita semua. Jumpa lagi pada mata kuliah Enterprise Architecture atau Arsitektur Enterprise. Adapun topik yang akan kita bahas pada pertemuan kali ini adalah Data or Information Architecture atau Arsitektur Data atau Informasi. Masih bersama saya, Leon Andretti Abdillah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Salam sehat dan sejahtera buat kita semua. Selamat datang rekan-rekan mahasiswa yang saya cintai dan banggakan dimanapun Anda berada. Semoga selalu dalam keadaan sehat walafiat dan dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Amin ya Rabbal 'Alamin.
Lecture untuk mata kuliah ini adalah Leon Andretti Abdillah, saat ini sebagai Associate Professor Computer Science and Information System pada Faculty Science and Technology. Kemudian juga bertugas sebagai asesor, reviewer, research fellow, dan editor, asesor BKD di Kemdikbud, kemudian reviewer di Kemdikbud, research fellow INTI International University Malaysia, serta research fellow Tsinghua University Taiwan, dan menjadi editor pada sejumlah international journal dan conference. Mata kuliah yang diasuh antara lain adalah HCI, KMS, CRM, kemudian ada BPP, BPHEM, Databases, Data Structure, ERP, Information System, ITSM, Management Information System, Supply Chain Management, System Analysis and Design, Algorithm and Programming, dan lain-lain. Juga sebagai mentors, ini ada di Pablo New Zealand dan Unpad Indonesia. Kemudian ada sebagai konsultan baik di bidang akademik, research, dan community, serta koordinator pada Research Center dan Enterprise System Research Group. Berikut sejumlah mata kuliah yang diampu, dimulai dari System Analysis and Design, Enterprise System, Research Method, Human-Computer Interaction, Knowledge Management System, Human Capital Management, Algorithm Programming and Data Structures, Supply Chains Management, Business Process, serta beberapa mata kuliah lainnya.
This course explores the principles and practices of enterprise architecture, EA, a strategic discipline that enables organizations to align their business goals with their IT systems and processes. Students will learn how to design, plan, and implement an architecture that supports business objectives, enhances operational efficiency, and drives digital transformation. The course covers various EA frameworks, such as TOGAF, Zachman, and FEAF, examines how these frameworks provide methodologies and tools for analyzing and structuring complex organizational architecture.
Course objective: students should be able to do the following at the end of the course. Yang pertama, understand core EA frameworks and methodology. Ini termasuk dengan develop a solid understanding of major EA frameworks seperti TOGAF, Zachman, FEAF, and how they guide the alignment of IT with business goals. Yang kedua adalah align IT strategy with business goal. Learn how to design and implement enterprise architectures that ensure IT infrastructures, systems, and processes are strategically aligned with organizational objectives. Yang ketiga adalah analyze and design comprehensive AI models. Gain the ability to create enterprise architecture models that integrate business processes, applications, data, and technology in cohesion, efficient structures. Yang keempat adalah evaluate the role of EA in digital transformation. Explore how EA supports digital transformation by facilitating the adoption of new technologies, improving operational efficiency, and enhancing business agility. Last but not least adalah develop communication and governance skills. Learn how to effectively communicate complex architectural concepts to both technical and non-technical stakeholders, and establish governance frameworks to ensure EA effectiveness and compliance. Oke, sekarang masuk ke course expectation. Yang pertama adalah attendance dan involvement. Jadi mahasiswa diharapkan secara reguler itu hadir ya, bisa secara offline ataupun online, termasuk juga dalam diskusi, dalam forum, serta kegiatan berkelompok. Yang kedua adalah task and assignment. Jadi selama perkuliahan Anda akan mendapati sejumlah tugas-tugas, bisa juga kuis, ujian untuk menilai seberapa capaian pemahaman Anda terhadap konten mata kuliah ini. Kemudian ada juga grup project. Mahasiswa diminta untuk bekerja secara kolaboratif, ya, berkelompok untuk mengaplikasikan knowledge management principle ke dunia nyata yang mungkin ditemui. Yang keempat adalah reading and resources. Nanti kita akan berikan sejumlah recommended reading and resources. Jadi diharapkan Anda mempelajari materi-materi tersebut sehingga dapat meningkatkan pemahaman dari subjek ini. Selanjutnya perlu diperhatikan juga regular office hours, ya. Jadi kalau mau bertanya, konsultasi itu fokus pada jam kerja, ya. Jadi saya meminimalkan kontak di luar jam kerja. Kemudian harus bersikap profesional, respectful, ya, baik terhadap karyawan, ya, dosen, rekan-rekan dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian communication juga penting, ya. Jadi kalau mau bertanya itu harus jelas dan usahakan pada waktunya. Kemudian yang kedelapan adalah ethical conduct. It is critical to maintain academic and ethical integrity. Termasuk juga nanti ada kita harus menghindari yang namanya plagiarism dan juga cheating, ya, baik pada saat belajar, tugas ataupun ujian. Kemudian tak lupa adalah feedback. You will receive constructive feedback on your assignment and project to help you improve your understanding and performance.
Business Capability Models, BCM, defines the essential capabilities needed to achieve organizations' strategic goals, allowing businesses to focus on what they can do, driving innovation and agility. Business Process Modeling, BPM, maps out workflows and processes using visual diagrams, helping stakeholders identify inefficiencies, redundancies, and areas for improvement within an organization. Value Stream Mapping, VSM, visualizes and analyzes material and info flow in production, identifying value-added and non-value-added activities to streamline processes, reduce waste, and improve efficiency.
Business Process Management, or BPM. BPM is a systematic approach to managing processes. It optimizes performance and adaptability. It focuses on continuous improvement and innovation. BPM drives efficiency across the enterprise. Process design by creating efficient and effective processes. Process execution by automating and managing process workflows. Process monitoring by tracking process performance and identifying issues. And process optimization by continuously improving processes based on data. Mapping to EA, or Enterprise Architectures. Aligning process with EA. Aligning business processes with enterprise architectures ensure that processes support organizational goals and objectives effectively. It involves understanding how each process contributes to business capabilities and overall strategic plan. This alignment promotes a holistic view of the organizations, leading to better resource allocations, improved agility in responding to market changes, and enhanced collaboration across departments. Mapping this relationship enhances visibility and accountability within the enterprise architecture framework.
The meeting defines information architecture, IA, within enterprise architecture, EA, and its impact. It focuses on establishing IA standards, analyzing current structures, and identifying inefficiencies. The session explores IA tools, plans future improvements, and fosters collaboration across departments.
Agenda. Our meeting is divided into 5 subsections. The first is information architectures, consists of information architecture definition, important in enterprise architecture and key concepts. The second is data models, consists of types of data models in EA, benefit of effective data modeling and challenging in data modeling. The third is information flow, consists of mapping information flow in EA, impact on decision making, and best practices for information flow. After that, data quality consists of defining data quality standards, measuring data quality, and strategy for improving data quality. Last but not least is integration, consists of overview of information system integration, benefit of integration in EA, and common integration challenges.
Enterprise architecture, EA, comprises 4 key domains. These are business, data, application, and technology. Each offers unique perspectives. These are essential for strategic alignment.
Oke, sekarang baru masuk ke penjelasan masing-masing domain layers. Each domain can be described as follow. Ini kita ambil dari All Sophie pada tahun 2014. Yang pertama adalah yang paling atas, yaitu business domain. Ini represent the function and processes that support the business, the organization that perform the business process, and the location where the business is performed, and the factors that could cause the business to change. Jadi isinya itu bisa saja terkait proses atau fungsi yang mendukung bisnis. Kemudian bisa juga prosesnya, lokasinya, ya, serta faktor yang menyebabkan bisnis itu dapat mengalami perubahan. Kemudian di bawahnya ada information atau data domains. Identify the major types of information needed to support the business functions. It identifies and defines the information models, datasets, metadata repositories, and their relationship to the business functions and to application system. Jadi fokus pada model informasi, set data, metadata repository, serta hubungannya dengan business function atau ke sistem application. Selanjutnya pada layer ketiga, yaitu application domain, identifies and describe application and modules as well as their relationship to business processes and other application system and modules. The application architecture identifies the major application needed to support and cross-cutting business processes and of the enterprises. Jadi dia mengidentifikasi dan mendeskripsikan aplikasi apa saja yang dibutuhkan beserta modul-modulnya serta hubungannya dengan bisnis proses atau pada sistem aplikasi dan modul lainnya. Kemudian ada juga infrastructure technology domains, ini yang paling base ya. Identifies the major technology or platforms necessary to support the enterprise's application and data system and associates those platform with the various application in the other sectors. Jadi dia mengidentifikasi teknologi utama apa yang digunakan atau platform apa yang dipakai, sangat penting untuk mendukung bagaimana aplikasi enterprise dan data sistemnya itu dapat terasosiasi dengan baik. TOGAF architecture domains. TOGAF focus on 4 main architecture domains. The first is business architectures, define the business strategy, governance, organization, and key business processes. Second is data architectures, describe the structure and management of organization data. The third is application architectures, describe the software application needed to support business processes. And the last but not least is number 4, technology architectures, cover infrastructures, platform, and technology required to support the application architectures.
Informati Information Architecture, IA, involves organizing and structuring information in a way that makes it easily accessible and understandable. It is essential for navigating complex systems in an enterprise context, ensuring that users can efficiently find information they need. On architecture definition. IA plays a critical role in enterprise architecture by facilitating effective communication and data flow across an organization. Well-implemented IA enhances user experience, increases efficiency, and supports strategic decision-making by ensuring that information is structured appropriately. Key concepts of information architecture include organization schemes, labeling systems, navigation systems, and metadata. Understanding these elements is crucial for effective IA, as they determine how information is categorized, accessed, and managed within enterprise systems. Data models in enterprise architecture include conceptual, logical, and physical models. Each serves a unique purpose in representing data structures and relationships at various abstraction levels. Effective data modeling offers numerous benefits such as clarity in data management, enhanced communication among stakeholders, and improved data quality. It aids in aligning the data strategy with business objectives. Data modeling faces challenges like evolving business requirements, ensuring data consistency, and managing stakeholder expectations. Addressing these challenges is crucial for successful data architecture. Mapping information flow in enterprise architecture involves identifying key data sources, processes, and the pathways for data transfer within the organization. This process helps in visualizing how information moves from one component to another and ensures alignment with business objectives. Effective information flow significantly impacts decision-making by providing timely and relevant data to stakeholders. Clear pathways ensure that the right information reaches the right people at the right time, enhancing responsiveness and strategic alignment. To optimize information flow, organizations should implement best practices such as standardizing data formats, ensuring data accessibility, and establishing clear communication channels. Regular training and updates on data management policies improve adherence to these practices. Defining data quality standards involves establishing criteria for accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, and relevance of data. These standards guide the management of data throughout its life cycle, ensuring alignment with business requirements. Measuring data quality entails using metrics and benchmarking tools to evaluate data against established standards. Techniques such as data profiling and validation checks help identify issues that may affect data utility and reliability. Improving data quality can be achieved through strategies such as regular audits, data cleansing, and establishing data stewardship roles. Implementing automated data management tools also enhances data reliability and reduces errors. Information system integration involves combining different systems and technologies to work as a cohesive unit. This facilitates seamless data exchange and process synchronization, ultimately improving operational efficiency and user experience. Integration within enterprise architecture brings numerous benefits including streamlined processes, reduced data redundancy, and improved flexibility. It enables organizations to respond quickly to changes and enhances overall business agility. Organizations may face common challenges in integration such as data silos, compatibility issues between systems, and resistance to change. Addressing these challenges requires a well-defined integration strategy and stakeholder engagement. Information architecture, IA, is a vital part of enterprise architecture, EA, ensuring that data is properly structured, managed, and governed across the organization. It aids strategic decision-making by enhancing data consistency, accessibility, and interoperability, while staying aligned with business goals and technology frameworks. Through clear principles, effective tools, and cross-functional collaboration, IA reinforces the architecture, helping enterprises become more agile, data-driven, and efficient.